Episode of the Crypto Dough channel. And today we're talking about the market pullback and the little pullback that we may have. Don't panicky, right? Breathe. Learn how to breathe. Now, I've been stating for a while that the market will have a pullback, right? And have a pullback range between $97,000. We're talking Bitcoin because that's grandpa and that's the leader of the territory. So, what Bitcoin do? Well, we're starting to decouple from the stock market, but that's a whole nother conversation. What Bitcoin do, the altcoins begin to do as well, right? The altcoins begin to do. So saying it all to say, we're saying it all to say, it's a wonderful day, right? Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me do my intro. I am Crypto Dough, and I want to share everything I know with you guys, so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. That's the point of this. I want to make money, and if I make money, y'all should make money too, right? And I want to share this information damn near free, right? The only thing I ask for you guys to do is smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification for me. My goal is to get to 10,000 subs by the end of this year, and that's what I will do. Now, let's talk about the pullback. Let's talk about the pullback, then I'm going to talk about a promotion that I'm doing. You buy one merch, you get my crypto guide for free, right? We're going to run this promo all year long. You buy one merch, and I've spent damn near a month on this guide, right? Getting all the information that we need. Also, this guide can be updated at any given time, right? The guide is generally, as you guys can see, the guide is $40, right? But what I'm going to do is you buy one merch from my store. And let me go through my store real quick. Let me go through my store. You buy one merch from my store and you get the one merch. It could be any merch of your desire. It could be any merch of your desire. Yeah, I had to take a two seconds. Right? It could be any merch of your desire. And the promo is you buy one merch, you get the crypto guide for free. So I was gonna call it buy one, get one for free, but I said everyone's doing that. How about you buy one and you actually learn something for free? And what you learn for free can actually make sure that you buy plenty of merch if you decide to, or plenty of crypto, whatever crypto you don't have, right? Whatever protocols that you don't have. That's what it would. I'd rather teach you how to fish, basically. I would much rather teach you how to fish, right? So, like I say, you can buy any merch in the crypto store. My crypto guide is generally $39.99. That's what my crypto guide is. But you get that for free. In order to qualify for it, you have to buy one merch, right? One merch. This is the store. You buy one merch. You buy one merch, you will get the guide for free. And then the only thing to qualify for it is I want you guys to snapshot a picture of your receipt and at me. Then I will send you the code to get the crypto guide for free. And I'm sure everyone will have a different code, and you have X amount of time to actually claim your code, right? And then I'll switch the code up. So I'll switch the code up. So that's the promo that I'm going to be running until December. So you buy something in the store, one item minimum, you get the crypto guide for free. So you buy one, you learn something. You buy one, you actually learn something for free, right? So let's talk about the market. Let's talk about the market, right? Let's look at the bubble real quick. Hey, what's going on in the market? Now, yesterday, you guys know that the market was what? It was a little bit green. Now the market is hella red, right? And that's okay. That's okay. You have green days, you have red days. That's all part of the game. On red days, I like to buy. On green days, I like to sell. Depending on what I'm holding, some of this I will much rather hold for a long-term sell point. Like Bitcoin is something that I plan on holding for a very, very long time. XRP, I have my traders one, but XRP I really don't like trading, but I trade it because it's just so good on the trade, right? It's so good on the trade that I just add more to my bag. But there's other projects that I like Zebek, like Alchemy Pay, like XLM, just to name a few, right? It's other projects that I'm interested in, and new protocols as well, that to me is going to lead me to the promised land. And I want to share that knowledge with you guys, right? I want to share it with you guys. So every day I go live, every day as part of my marketing campaign. I go live between the hours of 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. I market from midnight to midnight. So we always working around the clock. When it goes down on the East Coast, it's up on the West Coast. So midnight to midnight, that's the hustle. In fact, maybe I'll make some type of product and call it midnight to midnight, because that's going to be the hustle, right? So let's check out what's going on. The market sentiment right now is the Fin Greed Index is at a 71, right? Bitcoin right now is at 102,000, but Bitcoin is still holding so good. Bitcoin is still holding so good because it's over the $100,000 mark. Bitcoin is over the $100,000 mark. So Ethereum is $2,500 right now. XRP is $246. It broke the $250. I think XRP can go down to about $2.30. $2.30. BNB is $650, $653 to be exact. Doge is 22. ADA 77. ADA generally being above 80 cents is generally a good thing. If you're in here right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Help me swim through the algorithms. That's all I ask. That's how you pay me forward. XLM, another one of my babies. $348. I like privacy tokens as well. If you guys into meme coins, how about Pepe? Pepe right now is 4 zeros and 13, so it's actually ramped up. You could say that it's 100% in about a month or under that, right? 100% in about a month or a little bit under that. So pay attention to what's going on. Just giving you guys a quick market and morning update. Let's read an article about Bitcoin, right? Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's do a Bitcoin update. Let's do a Bitcoin update. Bitcoins look ridiculous as bulls attempt $2 trillion market cap flip. And this is the latest from Cointelegraph. Right? Bitcoin looks ridiculous as bull attempt a $2 trillion market cap flip analysis. Bitcoin can hardly get any more bullish, says independent analysis field as 100,000 slowly returns as support. Yep. And bulls fight to cement a $2 trillion market. We got some pullback. I think we're going to at least pull back to 97, maybe 94, and we're going to be up and away after that. Bitcoin has a fight for $100,000 price and a $2 trillion market cap on its hands this month. This below 6 figures are easily possible, of course. That's why I'm giving you guys this update. But the odds are stacked in bulls' favor. The bull's been resting for a while. The bull, we've been in a 94 or what? No, between a 74 and a $94,000 for about a month and a half, 2 months. You let the bull rest for about 2 months, and it's going to break the $100,000. And currently is at Bitcoin is $102,350. Is poised for expansion with BTC price action rarely more bullish looking on analysis says. Now, the reason why I'm still super bullish on Bitcoin in the long term is because look at all these tariff deals that we're beginning to have, right? If you're in here right now, smash the like button. Look at all these tariff deals that we are beginning to have. You know, we just sat down with China. We sat down with Britain, the UK. Who's next? Maybe India. We're going to line these things up, and I think it's going to be a positive catalyst for actually Bitcoin, because Bitcoin to me is recession proof. It's not only is it recession proof, it is also inflation proof, and it's also tariff proof. So if you would have invested in a Bitcoin and forget the hype, forget the news, right? You understand that your portfolio would have went up at least by 20, 30 G's. At least from 74,000, 104,000, that's a cool 30. That's a 30 piece. Or $30,000 just to be exact if we want to talk correct grammar, right? Bitcoin has begun to consolidate after making rapid gains this month with an area just north of 100K, seeing choppy BTC price moves. That's what I wanted to talk about today. Bitcoin's market cap is now fighting to flip the $2 trillion mark from resistance back into firm support after losing it at the start of February. Data from CointelMarkets Pro and trading confirms, right? So that's just an update I wanted to give you guys. Bitcoin is pulling back, which means the market may pull back some, which means I'm going to buy some more. I am definitely doubling down on Crow, which is basically crypto.com. I have my eye, for some reason, I see what I see, right? And when I see it, I'm going to share it as well, right? But when I see things with a clear eye view, right, I'm telling you guys, Crow, I think Crow is going to at least 10x to 20x. The reason why I say this is right now it is under 10 cents, right? It pulled down from 10 cents. Now it's like at 9 cents and a half, right? I'm going to buy a couple of $1,000s worth of it today because I understand that its last all-time high was 99 cents, so damn near $1. If it goes back to its all-time high, I would have 10x my position. If they're stating that Ethereum has a chance to go to $20,000, right? Ethereum from where it's at right now could simply 10x. If Ethereum 10x, I have Crow 20x into 30x. The reason why I'm super bullish on Crow, crypto.com, because they just did a deal with Dubai. We all know the riches of all the riches is in Dubai, right? They also did a deal with Trump. So we all know that they're politically aligned. Another thing that I like about Crow, is that they are an exchange, meaning that you can purchase crypto futures stocks on crypto.com. So to me, they are another, they give me Robinhood, Coinbase vibes. They give me Robinhood, Coinbase vibes, a fusion between the two. The thing that I love about it is that Robinhood right now is $63. Coinbase is $250, is back where it was in 2021, starting out when it IPO'd. Uniswap is about $7 or $6 trading. Haven't checked that one out yet. BNB is $655 rounding it, right? You're telling me if all of these exchanges is well over a couple of dollars, you guys don't think that Crow, crypto.com can't go above $1? I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and my mouth is right where it needs to be, and it's on top of crypto.com. I just want to give you guys that insight. I had to go on that rant real quick because I see what I see, and I want you guys to be able to understand where I get my insights from. And you can't say that Crypto Doe did not share it with you guys. I am ultra super bullish on Crow. In fact, I'm going to buy some today. On that note, I appreciate you guys for tuning on in. I don't want to make this too long. I give you guys another update. Remember, I'm doing a promo. The promo is you buy one piece of merch, You get my crypto guide for free. So you buy one, you actually learn something, right? That's my marketing right now. You buy one, you learn something. I appreciate all you guys. This is Thursday morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful morning on today. Spread positivity. Say hey to someone, thank someone, make someone smile today. It's all positivity over negativity over here while we discuss the market, right? Bless your portfolios, bless your families, your kids, your loved ones, everything else. This is Crypto Dough once again. You guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to check out my merch store. Put on your seatbelts. It is time to take off. And